Today we're going to check out the Commit 30 Money Journal. Now, the Money Journal is new, I believe, for just this year or something they just created. I've never seen it before, so I don't know or have any prior versions to compare it to. And it was kind of interesting. They didn't call it the budget planner, which a lot of people do. They called it the Money Journal. So maybe that implies that it's a little different than, say, a budget planner. I don't know. Or maybe they just wanted to be different. Let's check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Now, the Commit 30 Money Journal was $35, and this was interesting. So I did pay for shipping, but they also had what's called a tariff surcharge. I know. What is the tariff surcharge? I don't really know. It wasn't really explained, and I've actually never seen it on a bill before. All right, so let's just go ahead and look inside. So like all Commit 30 stuff, they have chosen just the plainest packaging possible. There's absolutely no branding on this at all. We have an envelope inside of an envelope and no packing slip or anything else. So they just kind of throw it out there. Okay, so I'll try to open this without cutting myself since that's always an issue. So we got some nice shrink wrap here, and we have, it feels like they're typical, they all kind of, if you've never gotten Commit 30, they're all kind of the same. They're kind of this faux leather, flexible sort of thing. There are 7 days in the week, and some day isn't one of them. So I think they send that all to inside all of their planners. Thank you for your Commit 30 order. We hope our planners and tools help you have the best year ever. Tag us on Instagram. I think that's always a good idea. And I think it's nice that it came as a bookmark. Sometimes they just come as a card, which is still a great idea. But as you can see, this is a softbound one. There's one bookmark here, one ribbon. So it would be nice to have a second bookmark. Stickers. And okay, so here we go. 30 money. Save more, spend less. And over here we have monthly action plan. So I always like when they do a little bit of explaining to show you what's inside and how to use it. So we have your vision board, we have 30 money tips, we have goals and dreams. So this kind of goes back to their traditional planner. Looks like they just plug those in. Here we have the goals 1, 5, and 10 with financial goals. Money goals. I don't know if that's helpful. Just a checklist, annual checklist. Annual expenses and bills. Date. So I guess if you have like quarterly payments, or I don't even know, maybe you have some big trip that you're planning or something else. Get crystal clear on where you are financially. Beginning savings, beginning debt, end of year savings, end of year. So this would be just your annual check-in. Net worth. Assets, debts. Honestly, this is, I think this is great to have it written down, but I always use Bench, which kind of just does it for me. Some of the assets too, I don't know, in a true financial statement of your balance sheet with your assets and your debts, I don't know, like I own a car. Am I really going to put that down? Probably not. And so I think it's probably more important for you to just kind of worry about the debts. Debt payment tracker. So this is good. Savings tracker. And then we have, it's not easy, but it's worth it. So every Commit 30 has something. So we're back to the standard Commit 30 planner. We have the standard undated planner. The only thing that's different is over here it says money goals instead of just saying goals. And here, nope, same thing. It's kind of spending. Okay, so now we have a little bit of a different layout for the money stuff. So it says my spending plan, the year, the month, the date, is how much money you have coming in, how much of your fixed expenses. So I'm guessing this is a plan. It's more like a pro forma of what you're guessing. Let's see what else. Monthly spending tracker and notes. And that's it. So then you move on to the next month. So how would this really stack up? I don't know. I think this is good for planning. I would add another column for just to help you reconcile. Did you spend that? Did you not spend that? And then here, just like a laundry list of everything you're spending your money on. So I think this is a rinse and repeat for, I don't even know. How many months is this? There's only 12 months in a year, but this one has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 4? Some of those pages are sticking together. 4. And then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so it does have 12 months. And then we see Fortune Favors Action. And we have a gift log. And we just have some notes pages. So there's a folder pocket in the back and a elastic band over here that matches the front. And that's it. So what did you think? It truly was just kind of a journal, like it said. It just tracks stuff. There's a little bit of planning, but for the most part, I honestly just like using apps better, or the envelope system. I don't know if anyone ever watched Gail Vaz Oxley. She's my favorite money advisor. And whenever she went in, she had 2 shows, Till Death Do Us Part and Princess. Amazing. You should go watch them. I think they're on CNBC still, but what she would do is she would go in, she'd give everyone a budget, and then your budget would be put into envelopes for the month, like cash. And you could not spend anything outside of that, like on your credit cards or anything else. You just had to use the cash that was in the envelope. So I almost feel like maybe that's a better system than going to paper, because honestly, everything that you do, you could just record. Like I use Mint, which is free, and it always like tags everything for me so I can see everything at a glance versus putting it into here. So I don't know if anyone remembers the older credit cards, like, well, not the older, but like in the olden days, Discover and American Express at the end of the year or the end of the month would give you a snapshot and tell you everything that you spent money on, like 40% on restaurants, 30% on groceries, 10% on personal services, like going to get your hair done or your nails done or the spa or stuff like that. So I find having that electronic, like at a glance sort of pie chart much more useful than tracking it here. But maybe this is good. I think if you just have a single project that you want to track the expenses on, or maybe it is somebody like the new dog, you want to track the dog expenses, or maybe you share custody with your child with your ex-husband and you guys want to track the expenses or something like that. So I think for that would be useful. But just everyday life, like all the transactions that happen, I would think it would like take over your life to actually use this money journal. But let me know below what you think. And I hope everyone's having a great day. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.